Happy birthday, Shunkunkoma, Madam Evelyn Asari, Mrs. Otin, Geography Tutor, House Mistress, Kumasi Wesley Girls High School. And it's from your husband, Isaac Otin of Paris, France. I love you, die, is the message. Bekao, what do you know? Bekao, me want home to you. Lecture, Odina, would that name, to baby, no. Me want home to Papa. And idea. Sana beba udu mpenyin fie so
Dr. Abuajochi
Elena Oda ana in advance Dr. Abuajochi
Saturday.
Okay.
Senior tutor.
Oh wow. Doctor from Kwana no.
Doctor.
Yeah, that was CCMC. It will be on confa a kakra. They be a doctor.
Say me papa na.
Napos make us LG inverter air conditioners. LG life is good. Societe General Ghana Vodafone. The future is exciting. Ready. Apollonia City Development, Accra's new city, and a Cowbella milk. Latest from your partner for life, Agbeve Herbal Center, Wayar Sefi. Tabia Herbal Mixture, your true and authentic herbal medicine. Well, the brass said, Naposuno, Ebro. Anna Femeka say the Ghana West Africa program to combat AIDS and STI. WAPCAS. One also have a kind of question. Because we know. Metromu, the NTS say UTSA Ghana West Africa program to combat AIDS and STI. No, too much stigmatization. Remember, Sanya Manasu anyway. Kubia Kwaba.
On my Mejozo.
Na wanyasa,
report no. Na me hwema say the buy. Na
enunko na mde na poso.
By report ni more the dear.
Report ni more de.
O man yeti so KPI.
You trust in the
KPIs. Key performance
indicators. You trust in the modern balance misinto.
Enti no say yeti. Say ye kasa nyina akra track na ye adwuma.
Ye kasa
nyina track na ye adwuma. It's an ongoing process.
Okay, maybe Mrs. Archipelago, Nancy Rice wa Shama so say happy birthday to my elder sister. She's Mrs. Rose Adjoa Frimpong. Nancy Rice, Oton Emo Ashama Station. The Yadasi, Emo Prima, Emo Papebi, Gumanunura, Archipelago. Well, you call reporting so. Now, the entire say a Papebi Ediano.
Mihu top 10 best performing ministers for 2019.
Yeah.
Na Orasroa number 1. The Eminwa regional reorganization.
Dambuchi.
Yes. Analyst score unya 70.87%.
Na dry board Dambuchi jina wo home na wo say
public score unya 65.2%. And sana average unya 68.04%. Na say okrimrashe bedwani Dan Kwaku Botwe. Yes 2019 wo hwe aban asoafo mo ba adwuma pa wo mayimu a. One ne ahye ne takrache momo nsema da.
Wow.
Dan Kwaku Botwe.
Wow.
Dan Kokubuchi. Also the address you want it.
Yes, you studio bell say, oh no, it is overcome. Say what you have a baby cry.
Now the Otosumi no o man.
Yeah.
A tourism and culture minister. Minim say to say Otinjes no.
But me sure somebody in Chirimba. Omudi nchirimo ba be die kwa
mfa. Chemu ne de ho. Ba de ma member list ni nwie. Ono nya 68.35%.
Oh first one nya 70.87%.
And no ye analyst score.
Okay.
Analyst mako 10.
Okay.
Any ade omu free Lagos so apon mu ni Cape Coast so apon mu kabo omu bo mu ekoye sa adwumadie. Eti ni pattern de ko mu tiri pam de otoso mienu. Enya 68.35%.
Wow.
And a public score Omusi Monteniga na adisha twetwe nkomo hwan na ahwe a wo gba adwuma hwan na ahwe a ne modin bonso ani ede ebe ne yebetumi ade abo amasa nipa na adwuma de wodi atumi akona nim no eno so onya 66.80%. Public score and sana average etuka public de no any analyst de ni bomu a na wo so ne so a ni sinsemu no ene 67.58%. Nipa woto so mprenu eno tourism and culture minister. The Otoso Miensa, Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs Minister.
Ajuati the Otoso Miensa, Mr.
Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs Minister.
That ministry in a way.
Metio Mongajo. By so about Omobojuma.
Okay, so
yes, Omobojuma. Now, analyst corner, on your 64.25%.
Wow. Any
of the analyst demand on public score on your 68.80%. Now, just the average no, over 66.52%. And the average, Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs Minister Unyaye, one of the Tosso Miensa, the Otoso Naino, a parliamentary affairs minister who happens to be MP for Swame constituency. My MP, Chei Mensa Bunsu. One enya 62.42%. No, analyst score. Na eba public score na. Public score no so onya 69.10%. Average onya 65.76%. One na toso for parliamentary affairs minister. The toso 5 works and housing minister. Work and housing minister. Onunya 65.06%. And the analyst score and a public score no onya 65.18%. Average onya 65.12%. Wano nipa wotoso and 9 enum just wano ye works and housing minister. The otoso sia a railways development minister. Railway development minister. Jogate onunya 62.37%. And the analyst score na public score onya 66.25%. Uzo mind public score ne bi mutimi nya more.
Yeah.
But obekwa analyst score na eswate. It took average na affecting the average na wunya no. Iti average no onya 64.31%. And no railway development minister. The otoso trade and industry minister wadano Alan Kwajo wodi sika Prada Chematin na analyst score unya 64.28%.
Wow.
64.28%. Neza ohra analyst score no unya si railway development minister onu unya 62.37%. But oba eina public score no unya 64.02%. Neza ahano so no railway development minister enya more public score na trade minister Alan Chamatin because I want 66.25%. Na average score no trade and industry minister 64.15%. And railway minister no average score no na 64.31%. Na nipa what also enwatche information minister Kwajo Oponkro no 67.19%. Nesa ohra in terms of performance analyst score no onunya more as mo mudi nanim no but eba public score na onya 59.87% into hona re na de ne beto nwotwe no na average onya 63.53%. 63.53% and what the better so watching. The otoso enkronom agric minister 65.80%. 65.80% and no analyst score na eba public score na when 60.08%. It average 62.94%. Agric minister.
Well, ehonye de me wama kesi o. baby me one na the more revealing.
What I mean by my last 10 no. Hey, the last one, our no best performing minister or Toso 10 no. Hey, business development minister.
Awa.
Awa. Eba analyst score na unya 65.0% and eba public score unya 58.25% and the average unya 61.92%.
Okay, so ya nyehwe ne wona poso de ebe nyina ani mami nchiremu de omudi gina so a first 10 no ene de omka fa ono se ye fa yewura dambotwe isan se nipa dodo na no musu se abcd ye fa yewura asumasi ana so benten na nipa dodo na su se abcd na o de sanche mu ba na fa yetima gibra sa other areas no and other performances no because the working can me hwe eye nchiremu a eye one de femfa mo ho a o hwe for instance o ka se yewura dambotwe na oba nchiremu a o mo de femfa mo a almost say successful creation of new regions. So what I say.
But my many kind of criteria need to do.
Okay, for criteria to do.
And also knowledge of the job.
Okay.
Nese nimdia ni panwo wajuma ni muno. And no 25%. It is all mine what here we Dwaso Nsem. What you say? Nimdia wo Dwaso Nsem and the kwanya wo fa so we wajuma.
O hamunchimu
eduonunum 25%. Ansana ufru anu aba communication, media and public relations. Ekwan ya wo fa so ne o manfo di nkomo, ekwan wo fa so ne sentrofo di nkomo. Ya wasoafo ni bi ho a wo be frena wunya ne da. Ne boto ne yem no pe bibia na ono ahya se frɛ sentrofo. Na mom sa asama ba e bia asem kro no akyere ya adwene kakra ayesi one time ye nye kotie ne abese ama o manfo so ate bi. Wo frɛ se de bia obenya nkyeremu na sa wo ka ma me na bia wo mikro maguna bi po bia ate a watumi hu de ekoso wo be frɛ na wo mai wo mfa da. Nina ka criteria na ho eno 15% communication, media and public relations 15%, and sana about visibility and accessibility. Visibility. What you say? I was see unyuma wo ye no esanse yesi enso kanea emfa nhempeduase ye de sikanea duane so etisa wo so kanea na de kwhempeduase a ahane berewo esanse visibility e wo se ye de wo ye ansa na accessibility so obi pewa e be de nipa na nyawo eno so ka ho a eno so ye 15%.
Okay, but me ena makan baby ehia me kese pa ne o de bobo nsem wie
ma me mo we ni so nwie ena o se transformation and innovation and also 25%. Ekwan ya wo fa so asesa no mam ekwan ya wo fa so no adwene atra de dodo na adwene na de no ma foforo aba eno ma eni ho sa de be betimi aboa mo aso ye na timi akonkan no ene ye 25%. Ansana yasemo okay ba konso e wa ha effectiveness. Okay, what plan o man and ye baby Dwaso Nsem ya plan ye be fra so masi ye be fra obenten ye be hwe ye be hwe akwan ye be hwe nsu ye be hwe nkane ye be hwe mpom de mo nsem ne ade so ka ni nyina bom ne ye betena se ne ye be ye wia ne ye susu se ne sunsuanso ne san ne tie.
Okay, se de ka ye nyina ne yetimi ye ya na se yetimi
esa so do ano do nwe bi mo to betimi aka ne mom ne ye no e ho na poni 20 was effectiveness and also ye 20%. The total o ka ni nyina bom a 25%, 15%, 15%. Now I'm saying 30 plus 25.
Say 1 person.
No man, no man.
Sana,
yeah, quite say be assume see now benting in the D kind.
So, for instance, your first 10 performing ministers, no, the minister and then respondents, no, one comment and our remarks are. You Dr. Ochiri Patrotras and Hannah very key. They were in our first 10. Who say what deputy ministers, but first 10 was saying, Dan Kwekubuchi, respondents, normal comments and remarks, was saying, effectively supervising the creation of new regions, which respondents believe is government's most successful policy in 2019. And yet, Joko, Doc, it's not a joke. If this is what people really think, so what I say,
say. Ejuma na de share papa ne sa no nye obia no betumi aye now hwe even ye ko select regional capitals no
ehun
mansusem ne we ne o se
position chia kakra bi per system no.
He is one outstanding minister Oye Juma. I've been asking myself, say, Cecilia, what I say, regions now on any increase, yeah, we or say President Pebe before fraud in
Edemano.
Because few you want Ntuma, ya de ye, and you want to make the qua sorry. Dan Butcher, your minister, or see you soon ye.
Or a minister see you soon ye.
Or see you soon ye. Because he is an asset to the country. That is it. Perhaps we are underutilizing him. Or ni majuma pa na ne kita hu sem ne interaction with people, the way he even communicates. A man who say document bi a maybe na metie no e bi as far back as 1960 akofa and now they guide what he is doing. He is very deep. Ghana has say krobi wo krom ha omaimu ha onima afeni yebete. He knows every part of this country. Now all year Juma so uyina kumam a year and also obeying ye. So I'm not surprised at this report at all.
So the comments remarks of respondents on Catherine Afeku here, her passion for tourism and the general success of the year on return program, which boosted tourism greatly during the year. Who follows a year of return?
Oh yeah, me that's the year of return neguso ayekoso.
Catherine was all over.
Because all her enkrofo a year of return on mobile Ghana na. These are people anka
boom boom
na uko hu mo hen.
And they are not even willing to.
Dem chese uties kan kwa uko hu mo hen.
Yeah.
Hollywood. Na akọ hwe omo. Abranti oba ya ne kwa akomu fie ya ye koma na konwen white. So far all her movie industry in Hollywood, he's one of the blacks and now he's highly paid. He's the darling boy of the Hollywood movies.
Onye just obia keke na.
Oh no, o man uko hu no wa hen. Eheva na ko hu no. Hu no. Steve Harvey. Enso ba ha na nse ya. Steve, uko hu no wa hen. He's on TV. Even in America, uko hu Steve wa hen. Hu no. Etino, say yet me the program bi aba and yet ekra say Oprah Winfrey mu nyina eba.
Na mo chimenya adagea convinces ankofo yi.
What you say? E was say sankofo anya say omotem da sabra no mo kra so. They process it one by one. Ansana wabebo ni trico crowabo and the Yana Mompo. It is a sancrophone to me to 2 manaya baby PM or may you. I may be my big projects, if my basic schools, any idea, necessary parkour the band Wabojuma. The catching a Wabojuma, Afeku, Wabojuma pa. I one position I in if you about front there. Now, Zentum, Obi beside himself, Obi say, na creative as minister way and one of this DJ nebo oh mother
it will take a year for her to settle.
I'm just reporting what
doctor my surprise Kofi Jamesi for supervising the successful resolution of the Dagbon conflict.
And also
doctor.
Already know a lot of work had been done too. Enti Dagbon crisis is anka you say ahemfo na ye anameboa.
Nese ebia o play role. Secretly. I'm abonten.
Well, that's my surprise. The understanding of majority of Ghanaians is a collective effort be probably under his watch and he be witnesses, so they cannot rule it out. Now, say for his open advocacy towards a transparent, effective, and inclusive parliamentary democracy. Osechi Mezabusu.
Eba mrashe bidwafo ne dwuma omu didi a metia ka se me MP ne ho den in parliament but on the grounds no na koso amia
visibility and accessibility.
You see, again, that's where the problem is. Say, ya to abamu be say, onko parliament, donko shemera.
Yeah.
Say, jumano na omaino, any oman for no ediashenisa. Inti say, ubia research say, jumano ediashenisa or yedia. Then he needs to be commended. But, on say, bear 2 weeks ni, ya can't want some. obi kopre MP a osi na mehwe me aye kwan me enye kwan.
That's not his responsibility.
Ye to abama
as responsibility
MP enu an say obekọ no ahye mra wahwe me ahye mra papa na mum wo ho no utumi de wo influence lobby ema wo constituency no so enya niema pa eye. But here the purpose for which he was elected no eno na oye. So yeah, dear, any SCC Bonaba because we said there have been a lot of reports. Parliamentarians will be our best 1 month crown on call parliament. Yeah. But we pay 10 BR or 10 BR or her or she say
and then affected the constituency Jumano.
So we have to
get the balance right.
Get the balance. Say Uma say nipa na to abama or call. Uma one of our biggest problems say Uma sanke ye town hall meetings near day. You go meet your constituents. Now will be so almost so debe na omodwene ho bibi baso ebi the bibi abeto parliament. What is their view? What are their views? Ankasa anka omoka ni nyina fu awo as their rep no. We are member of parliament. You are a representative. Nanka ne wo manfo no so can what to me at their parliament. And no na eto sini kakra.
Well, quickly, my main run through it.
But there's one more a year. I have personal interest there. Dr. Duchum, Deputy Minister. He's another outstanding guy. Yeah, they double track it by. Okay, maybe a teacher. For almost 10
best performing deputy ministers.
Bear 2-3 weeks no. Na double track na Ghana nipa more than half. I adwin mu kesenene. Okasa 1, 2, 3. Na nipa akuma ton yen say ne yeko.
Possesses better understanding of the education system. Very passionate about education. And hard working. The research in this source is a recipe for say create chaos. It was set up main kinds of I think it was very unnecessary. Very unnecessary. You are dealing with a specific individual. You are not setting people at war.
No.
So I just say, the intent to be
clear
confusion. So now also our research, Now I had to say you went after a specific intent. So I just say it is yeah. But Debbie, young shed a deputy about one no more we are crown. A shooting you may be a honor interest. For instance, Micro Ni Martin, J. Cosa, and also Yabana Basso, very supportive in the creation of new regions and hardworking and accessible. Carlos Ahinkra, very visible and accessible for his efforts in executing the 1D1.
Dummy.
My lawyer, Godfred Dummy. Very hard-working, lead attorney in most government cases in court, articulate, and very visible. And Eugene Entry, very articulate, visible, and hard-working in executing housing project. Kwabena Osuaduomi, very truthful and humble. This is one of the best for Ghana. Very truthful and humble. Yeah. And Sagri Banji, very affable and interactive. Amin Adom, have great understanding of the energy sector, accessible and very supportive of the substantive minister.
Proactive and efficient.
Yeah, proactive.
Ziblim, deputy creative as.
Okay, so Yanko, top 10 least performing ministers.
Mame Fengram.
Women say enka enene china ye pamungo for asese ye pamungo.
Me pacho. Utie petakrane you assume.
But my memo on this assurance, if it's about reshuffling, there's nothing of the sort again. Maybe.
Yeah, reshuffling.
Maybe. Until all the Odada.
Nah,
reshuffling. Maybe. I don't know. You expecting a reshuffle? Yes. But how do ministers or deputy ministers or chief executive, how do they settle? And Dr. Unim, so it takes about 3 to 1 month for him to settle. The smartest and the fast ones, 1 week prepare settle. But you're not sure.
But on my report nearby now, the Omatri say assessment of ministries / ministers of Ghana for the year 2019, a proposal for immediate ministerial reshuffle and restructural reforms.
Oh, that bit I can tell you.
That is the purpose.
Expose you the plus and minuses of our ministers and ministries. We agree to that. Yeah. But calling for, I am not the president of the land. but me catch you say reshuffle a man and matchna.
O my answer wouldn't be anymore.
Now, Doctor Adnish Kura, maybe your lectures is here. Unim do Bacajra, Unim. Now, open you on the Beko. Now, I'll check in your chair. There's a channel.
Mamiko, 10 least performing ministers. Number 1, water resource and sanitation. We have 44.4%.
And again, I have no any fair assessment. Go, Doc. Let's be fair as a country. Any minister, wabastina a sanitation. Can any local government? If I say a local government, minister be wabatina sanitation. The sanitation is not about the minister. It cannot be. So if you assess a minister that the whole country, you know, if you're a Jari, if you're a Dokuria,
no credit. I think there could be something structural. Because Kofi da hono. Na yes o mwajuma. So one person on mwajuma. And now I'm so almost swap here.
No, but this woman is very visible.
And now my men so bad.
Yeah.
Kofi da call in aviation hono. It appears say
Bibi Koso.
Inti there could be something there's something structurally wrong with that ministry. Say your ministry no enkoye ye dia. That's your be merge with another ministry there. Fine. But otherwise, a human here they show binsa. Meanwhile no in real practice assemblies
okay, I'm happy that even in the case of this one, I'll say he talks about the ministry, not about the minister.
The ministry.
The ministry. So if you look at what they say, and the doc, I'll say major cities and regional capitals engulfed with filth. Accra and other inner cities smell badly.
Yes.
Lack of transparency and accountability in sanitation campaign expenditures. That one, general, for the ministry, not the minister.
But ministry no be nedano, o mine.
No. Many mistake. You bet me do about 2 Dwaso Nsem what is here. Now probably some time back, no. Nyoma be a akosu Dwaso Nsem. You are not a part of it. Unfortunately.
But when I'll be trying
Ona odano. Inti you are omuya smart by tackling the ministry. Not the minister.
And the minister with the men nada or my minister on one cassette miss me pam pine. You could jum acquire the ecoso we are na a assemblies a hold one or my money her sanitation so near than one more warning.
So clearly
in the full glare of Ghanaian.
Clearly you cannot apportion.
There
should be something wrong with that
structure. Assemblies no almost local government ministry. Meanwhile, assemblies in also who say a proper room. Say obi di bibi to baby na nya ye be che no ye no be ko sanitation court any ade meanwhile your ministry so eno and the sanitation so
a duplication of
okay a brain tip about my family mama me education national
finance and so woman least performing
yen film ye beje breba
and health and zoom
I may buy education health and then national security national security also there
na finance then na yen no film and we yen pa wo man mu
national security tie on my own I will be say tie na tie or say missing tardy girls and other kidnappings ayawaso west wogon violence and increasing crime rate across the country.
Okay, so almost charge no
charge the bomb on tardy girls education so thereby introduction of double track system, change in curriculum, poor handling of ministry by minister.
And the minister, also, this is the second one. Finally,
yes, a minister can least performing, but the deputy can most performing.
But finance, or see
happy birthday, commercial Tawali.
Finance, finance,
or see if you
I
didn't union young.
Okay.
As I see if you niente on performing. What I said,
almost a rising exchange rate.
Okay, but also respondents seem to link him to some of the collapsed banks. Strong perception of corruption against him. Respondents mention his involvement in the 2.5 billion bond saga and his involvement, but that's perception that he be rude.
Maybe say exchange rate.
Yeah.
Say exchange rate no. Say a kosoro na. Unim say no kahunti na ya tutu utility. So ya we. but finance minister na in charge on the F or man sika so. It is a exchange rate na enko ye dia on the bisa no.
But under performing.
I agree, but I can't say some aspect or say perception. Say or can hona ko last bands one no. O dey me to me dey no atonche. Nemum say also omo no mo hwe o man sika so yie. No hwe so yie na say exchange rate no e be ma me matua more on utility there. Then he has a question to ask.
But all right.
I feel now the access now.
Now, Finance Ministry respondents remarks thereby also rising exchange rate and and an increment and introduction of new taxes, severe hardship in the system, and rising cost of living among others. Etianone quite do a diabono. Yes, say Ghana is Sikana Yemre. Yesikan a here shock absorbers. Sikana Yemre. Ena ora ya the taxes for biaba and also what Ghana de show so for abrobe nti Ghana de share da o mo na ena severe hardship yes o man mind why we say e bi na sketch bi na akwa bi ko to gari a wo na
ko bugu yere
na kobugu yere akwa ya bofo unu ala so esi jire franka ho.
Oh my goodness, really kumia. Now you have to be part. Do your own selection. Best Minister, Worst Minister. You agree to the research. 0302216561, 0302216562. Once who ministers they say any ministries no yankasa. It also for Adom share baby media tumbra and say can Adom share one say good morning upon to say.
Hello, good morning.
Yes sir, your friend me Kwabna and your friend saying.
Yes so. Your friend me obibini ba ko pe. Amaka wabri.
Obibini yetiu.
Ni amaka wabri.
Yetiu.
One say Dambotwe there. To otofo a enyam wanwan. Because enyuma wo di e wa se ho no. Edukrom side ho no. Pasa enya sam keto a. Nti minianum ministers no almost nhwe no munhia omo dawson esa pe na mama ba na ebre mesra
okay
omo bodia na omo ndin ni huduma na bibia ntimi nkoto ote nti na yeto aba no.
All right, yes sir, that's CP good morning upon to
of Mahine correspondent Bakupa Waka Osum.
Yeah, that's it.
Obama
your best minister, your worst minister.
The best minister so far make us education and information. And I'm aware, about sanitation because I saw canon. Though ministers be a bomb more in the party. You have sanitation minister. You have on the canon because senior on my penica Obama Ghana a cleanest city in Africa. One boy on my penny na an initial the emblem Musa. What you say? On my name, I'm fucking away to India with you for I'm your party.
All right, yes, yeah, that's CP. Hey, Shuhuman Pico or Parry is on the quiet too. Good morning upon to say.
Morning. Your friend is I am a favorite.
I'm who cry morning and pat in the shall be a bene. Morning,
sir. The best minister name a Greek minister no.
Best minister, a Greek minister.
Yeah. And I have minister also there on your way.
And Canada, Osebia and the modern most way. No, on your feet, they want to be there.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, that's it. Akwe, why do you also on your feet? Good morning. Above the saying. Patrick, you.
Me rampa to entiku edi nyache. Yete ya. Aba ko bia nta bebi. Wo ma no wo ye ko to aba.
Wadarema me o de sanse me tun from ma emwa ya adwene no. O si ya bamu e na ebu badaba de ye be koso ato.
Ya bamu. Abam ye bi kwa wa bato.
Jinemu ye. If so abam ko bu abato ho pe na ho pe Ghana yi. yɛbɛkɔ so akyerɛ adwene yɛbɛkɔ so asesa yɛbɛkɔ so maintain ni nyina ɛsɛ ma Ghana ɛfa ne ntoma pɛfra ɛmo abamu mu da abamu kra so abamu awurade fa bɔ ne nkyɛw sɛ wo kasa asɛm no mesrɛ twe san na ka kyerɛ wo sɛ wobɛto na wato kɔpem sɛ Ghana bɛfa ne ntoma pɛfra why all right yeah that's it bɛma bu pa ya go on apop to say
onimunyamfo onkobna asante
alasa
Overika said,
Meto catch and when I could see some Mibusa and our in Alaza.
as only one be some asi.
Bibia Kokama, so I bind the was with
Then I Kokama, this is your Pokwa, Bibian for your mambo, it's in the sea.
Bit you Alasa.
Kobna mi jidi said the Oka and Okra, or behind him, or more more than no, and yet Ghana for the Moka, but young and I, the ministers or more than, but I can't be Sukaka.
It means to say,
Said Oka and maybe best ministers and by. Ora Dambochi, Napo, Anna Jogasi, and Honorable Esloso, Omupomo, any sanitation minister, so since all by or Yadipa and Tijapan Shromo, but there can any honorable Kokwasiam, any Amaquata, Amaquata, so we shop and road sector, any transport sector, I honorable Asiamba to me, yes, but Amma, Nema Ushametromas, Nema or Copaco, so some more buses. And which I say, on being mobile, but they are candidate, I come Mukaka, Minister of Evaluation, the Mintuamuka, and to be patch of Omubamu.
Monitoring and evaluation, on your account. I see, good morning. I'm going to say,
oh, my name is Adom.
the doctor don't care monitor evaluation, we'll see him. Boko, it's you.
Yeah, oh, my family. Oh, my, the best minister air sanitation.
Your best minister.
Yes, American is yes, sir. Oh, my mighty, yeah, I just say. Yeah, and near my my father, young support. Transit sanitation, let me do dustbin at the room. I see ye did, and I see a young Ryan for Mumono. Obi to Miss Swap or Abre, Apro, no, the other good dustbin, Mamma dustbin, I am.
So your best minister. Your best minister is sanitation.
The best minister sanitation, and I'm the autism you need education because over here. Schools there are OCC and secondary school now. Ebi mada, ebi see that the okwa kraga say yeah, but kwa mako wo no mo. Nyanka sem ko. Ebi see that.
Okay.
So that's all my.
Mr. Dasipi so Swaje Brown so dey charge the boy there,